Okay, you imported your video inside the DaVinci Resolve and something is wrong. You see those black bars. So we want to fill those black bars. So the easiest way is to select your video clip. Go to video, and over here in a transform tab, you can zoom in like this. You can unlink those two, so you can just move this Y axis. So just stretch it if you don't mind the stretchness, of course. Another way to do is to go scroll down and go to real time and scaling. And over here under scaling, click fill. As you can see, the screen is filled with your video. Or you can click stretch. It's up to you. And this is how you resize video clips and images in DaVinci Resolve. I hope this will help you. And drop some comments below and see you in some next tutorial. Bye bye.